fuck with me if you wanna choose. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Hey, say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gael and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this beautiful sexy makeup look right here. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, I invite you to watch the video till the end. And if this is your first time stopping by, guess what, you are most definitely welcome. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and activate the bell so you can get all the notification about all the new videos coming up. Now let's go straight to the video.
Yeah guys, that's me finished with my eyebrow. I did my eyebrow off camera because I didn't want this video to be too long. So I'm now gonna go and start with my eyeshadow. I'm first gonna go in with the color orange and I'm gonna blend it in my crease. And yeah guys, as I always say, the secret to a nice looking eyeshadow is to blend properly. Just blend, take your time and blend, and you are gonna get the best result. So just blend and blend. I'm now going to go and apply the brown color on top of the orange, blend it together, then apply the black color on top of both color and start blending it together. Then I'm going to do the same for the other side of my eyes. I'm now going to go and apply my green metallic eyeshadow cream. Yeah guys, that's me finished with my eyeshadow. I'm now gonna go and apply my Revlon and my Clinique foundation. I'm gonna apply it all over my face, both foundation, because one is a bit darker for my skin. So after applying the concealer and the banana powder, I'm now going to contour my face. yeah guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.